Yes.
Okay, fine. So, anyone know what is SonarQube or why we use SonarQube for software development life cycle? Any idea?
For code
Anyone?
validation?
Yes. Two way we can do the code validation, right? One is manual way and automate, right?
Yes.
Yes. So code validation. Okay. So first of all, I will give you the brief introduction, okay, for SonarQube. So SonarQube is a open source platform for continuous inspection of code quality. So it helps developers detect issues such as bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smells in various programming language. So we can use SonarQube for inspection of code quality that include such as bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smells. So it supports code review and helps maintain clean, secure, and efficient code base. So which are essential for building a robust software. Then coming to the key features of SonarQube. So SonarQube is a static code analysis. So it's first of the key feature is static code analysis. So it scans our code for potential issues like bugs, vulnerabilities, and maintainabilities issues. So it support multiple language like even Java, JavaScript, Python, C hash, any language we can use this software like SonarQube for scanning these types of potential things like bugs, vulnerabilities, then maintainabilities of issues that involve in the codes. Then code quality metrics. Okay, so SonarQube provides matrices such as code duplication or complexity and test coverage. So this will helps developers track overall code health. Then coming to securities or security vulnerabilities. Okay. So coming to security vulnerabilities, SonarQube can identify security vulnerabilities such as SQL injection or cross-site scripting. These are the types of vulnerabilities that commonly seen in codes. Okay. So SonarQube can identify these types of security vulnerabilities and it suggests way to fix them. Okay, so we can make code more secure. Then similar way we can use, one of the other feature is called code smell detection. Okay, so code smells are indications of deeper issues in the code structure. So SonarQube will helps developers to identify and address these potential things or these types of uh, designs. Okay. Then coming to continuous integration. Okay. So it's integrates with the CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab, and even the Azure DevOps. Okay, we can use Azure DevOps, and it's automating code scanning as part of development pipeline. So what will happen here? It will automate code scanning. Okay, throughout the CI/CD pipeline. So coming to the usage. Okay, so I mean, why we use SonarQube? So improve code quality. One of the thing is improve code quality. That means regular code analysis ensure that the bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smells are identified and we can address early in the development phases. Okay. Then enhance security. That's one of the uh, main things that we use on our cube. That means enhancing security within our entire pipeline. Okay, or even the project. So by detecting potential securities, so it's SonarQube helps teams build more secure application. Then support continuous improvement, like integrating with the CI/CD pipelines. So it enables continuous feedback. Okay, so the developers will get the continuous feedback, so they can allowing to improve code quality progressively. Then reduce technical depth. Okay, that's SonarQube helps manage and reduce technical depth by continuously monitoring code health, making future maintenance easier. So these are the high level overview of SonarQube and why we use SonarQube, okay, in our project, like CI/CD project. So how we will implement the SonarQube within our pipeline, okay? So I will explain the workflow. So we here we have some codes, okay, in our repository. So this is our GitHub. Consider GitHub. So here we have a repository repo. That repository belongs to our project, okay? For example, ABC. This is our repository name. So under the repository name, there is a number of codes, okay? A number of codes. So, yeah. So here we will create the Jenkins, I mean the CI/CD server. That is, in this case, we can take example with the Jenkins, okay? Jenkins. So we integrating, first we need to integrate Jenkins with the SonarQube. So what will happen? Jenkins will taking enter, I mean pulling the repository code to Jenkins. Okay, so Jenkins will pull the data, so pull the entire repository with the codes, folders, everything. Okay, it will that codes comes here. I mean to the Jenkins. Then what will happen? Jenkins have the ability to build application, test application, and deploy application, right? So that's why we use Jenkins. Build application, test, and deploy. So coming to production, okay. Coming to production environment, we need to, I mean, before doing these steps, okay, like building, testing, and deployment, we need to verify or we need to analyze the code. Okay, I mean, we don't know what type of code are belongs in the repository or any vulnerabilities are there. I mean, within the code or code smell or anything we need to verify, okay, that code is good to move to build stage or test stage and deployment stage. So there we need to validate that code, right? So it's just coming to production, okay, like big size application, the code ranges, I mean the code the lines of codes, okay, the lines of code may be huge, right? like thousands of lines or that much lines and scores are there coming to production applications. So these types, I mean, these n numbers of codes will be a time consuming process for validating by humans. Okay. For example, I have some codes. Okay, I need to validate that code. Okay, before deploying to production. So what will I do? If the code is very less numbers of code, then we can send that code to any developers. Okay, please validate this code. So that I need to deploy to the production environment. Okay, so we need to send to that code to humans, so they will validate. So coming to production application, there is n numbers of code that that why we didn't send that code to I mean any developers, so it will take too much time, right, to validate. So that we need to automate that process, automate the validation process. So the one of the tool is SonarQube. So what will happen, we can integrate our SonarQube application within our pipeline. I mean, integrate with the Jenkins, and we need to provide the steps, which steps, or when it's send the code to the SonarQube for code analysis. After that, some SonarQube will give the feedback, or uh, everything is fine. Then we can move to build, test, and deploy. So what will happen? I mean, what are things that we need to do? We need to create this SonarQube application. We need to set up SonarQube, and we need to integrate with the Jenkins. And uh, coming to Jenkins, we have already a pipeline, okay, pipeline script. So inside the pipeline script, okay, this is a manifest file. Okay, what are things that Jenkins will do, okay, for our entire pipeline. So first is steps that might be taking the code from the GitHub. We provide in the pipeline script. Okay, so that is the first thing. Second thing will be sending the code to SonarQube. So the Jenkins will do the steps that we provide in the pipeline script whenever we are running the pipeline. So first it will take the code, pulling the code from the repository to, I mean, Jenkins job. Okay, Jenkins will pulling the code and sending. Next stage is sending the entire code to SonarQube for verifying or validating everything is fine or not. So coming to SonarQube, okay. So now the ender code comes to SonarQube. So SonarQube have some rules. Rules are actually some commonly available latest bugs or vulnerabilities. Everything is under the rule. Okay, the SonarQube saved these all the things. So here, what will happen? SonarQube will cross check with the latest two things like the bug or vulnerabilities. It will, if it will cross match with our existing code, then the SonarQube will send the feedback that line number code line number 53 have some issues, or line number 1000 have some code smell. Similar way, we can get the actual result. Okay, and we can directly jump into the lines, so we can fix that thing, or we can send the feedback to developers, and they can easily sort out the issues. Okay, because SonarQube will gives the actual error part. I mean error lines like that. Got it? Anyone have any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay. So coming to installation process, okay. We can install two way, okay. One is directly install within a machine. Installation using virtual machine. Second, installation using Docker. So SonarQube needs a database, okay, a database. In traditionally, how we configure SonarQube, we will choose any virtual machine, then we install the dependencies, everything related to SonarQube. Then we will install SonarQube. After that, we need to configure a separate database. So, I mean, configure some database, and we need to integrate with the SonarQube. SonarQube needs database because the database include the latest things like applications, code smell, vulnerability listing. There is some rules are there coming to SonarQube. SonarQube works based on the rules. Okay, some predefined rules are there. That rules have the latest updates like the code vulnerabilities. Then a lot of things are there coming to security. Okay, coming to code security. So everything is based on the rule. So whenever new code, okay, for example, of CI/CD, when pulling new code and sending to that code to SonarQube, so SonarQube will cross check with the rules, okay, the predefined rules. So the SonarQube will need a database. So it store these types of data and the saved. I mean, the our code related data, everything is stored in that database. If we go with this method, okay, like the traditional way, we can sometimes the database uh, comes to, I mean, database storage comes to exceed. Okay, so we need to, or we can scale up that database. Okay, we can scale up database scale up. This is a case of like, for example, we have a SonarQube, we have a SonarQube and a Jenkins server. Okay, so now only one project is running and integrating with SonarQube. So consider in future this project might be 10. Okay, so we can integrate 10 project to the single SonarQube. Okay, for the code analysis, we can pointing each project to SonarQube. So lot of loads are coming to SonarQube. So we need to scale up the SonarQube, even the database. So in that case, if we go with the traditional way, we can easily scale up that SonarQube and the database. So if we go with the Docker way, we can't scale up because we set up that SonarQube with the embedded I mean database. Okay, embedded database. So coming to embedded database, we can't scale up this types of SonarQube in production. Okay, so whenever we installing this software, I mean this embedded thing, that means SonarQube with the embedded, it will pop up a notification like this is not usable for production base, because whenever we need to scale up this SonarQube, it's not working for scale up. So we can directly jump into the installation part. So in this case, we will go with the Docker. Okay, we will using Docker for the installation. So I'm going to deploy one virtual machine. I'm I'm choosing T2 medium. Okay. I'm updating the package manager. So nothing to update. So first we need to install Docker. Sudo yum. So Docker is installed successfully. I will check.
Is it
Yes.
Ubuntu machine you selected?
This is Amazon Linux.
Okay, sorry.
Hmm.
Okay.
We can use Ubuntu as well, no problem, because we use Docker. So
Okay.
the prerequisite is we should run Docker. That's all. Inside Docker, we can run the SonarQube.
Okay.
I'm checking the status of Docker using systemctl command. It's inactive. See, so I'm going to start the service using systemctl. Again, verify the status. Now it's active. Okay. So I'm checking any Docker images belongs to here. It's nothing, but I will show you Docker images. Nothing here. So first we need to we need that Docker SonarQube image for running the SonarQube for right SonarQube Docker image. So we can pull that Docker image. Okay. So sudo Docker pull the name of the image. The name of the image is same as in Docker Hub SonarQube. See, it's pulling from internet. That means now the SonarQube will searching Docker Hub that a name searching a image in Docker Hub. That's the name with the SonarQube. So there is a publicly available image there, official image from SonarQube. So it will pulling the image. Now I am checking Docker image again. See, we got the image.
When did we create this image? The last week when we were doing for Docker, we created image or it's an inbuilt image?
No, this is official image. I will show you.
Okay.
Just to go to Docker Hub. Coming to Docker Hub, there are a lot of official images are there. Okay, for example, Apache, SonarQube,
Uh, okay.
then yeah, similar images are there. Nginx. These are publicly available images. Okay, so anyone can
Okay. Okay.
pull the image and run it on their environment.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
See, this image we pulled. Got it. How to pull this image? Docker
Yes.
pull SonarQube. So this command
Okay.
that we need to run in our Docker environment. And this is a official or community-based image because SonarQube is an open source project. This way we can run any images. Okay, for example, we need to run Nginx. So what we'll do? Type Nginx and see this is our Nginx official image, official build of Nginx. So we can pull the Nginx image using Docker pull Nginx.
Can you pull Nginx or Apache image instead of SonarQube image, because we are using validating the code using SonarQube for the Nginx or Apache application. It will.
Sorry.
Can you pull the Nginx or Apache server instead of SonarQube server, because we are validating code from the Nginx or Apache application, right? Not for the. I mean, it will lead to confusion. Which one is we're using and which one is we're validating?
Uh, Nginx is a web server, right?
Correct.
So
Yeah.
why we need to adding Nginx? I mean, this is for, I will explain. Our requirement is, yeah,
Yes, our requirement is to validate the image, right? Docker image.
no, 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 not validating Docker image actually. Our requirement is we have here a repository. This is purely in GitHub, okay? GitHub. So coming to GitHub, there is a lot of repository there, right? So this each
So,
repository represents some application, okay? For example, this is WhatsApp application. So this repository for WhatsApp. So under the WhatsApp repository, we have the codes for the WhatsApp application.
uh, are you sharing other screen?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, now it's fine, right?
Yeah, I can see.
So we have a GitHub repository and we have one GitHub account and one repository for WhatsApp application,
Okay.
WhatsApp. So here the codes are belongs, okay? Like in numbers of codes.
Mm-hmm.
So our requirement is to validate these codes,
Correct.
not the Docker image. That I mean actually. So
Okay.
validating these codes using not manual way. Okay, if you go with the manual way, I mean we can send the entire code
Mm,
to some developers. Okay, so they can validate,
yeah.
but it will
Mm,
take a lot of time because the here we can see like thousands lines of codes. Okay, so it will take a lot
yes.
of time to validate manually. So we need to automate the validation. Automate. So that we need to use SonarQube, one of the commonly used software for code analysis and code checking.
Correct.
So here what we'll do, we will create Jenkins. First we need to set up the Jenkins. Jenkins taking the code and sending to SonarQube and send back to Jenkins. Everything is fine. You can go. So
Mm-hmm.
next stage is we need to build the Docker file. Here there is a Docker file also. So we need to create Docker image and we can build it to Docker like that or Kubernetes like that. For example,
Mm-hmm.
you said like image scanning, right? Docker image scanning.
Mm-hmm.
So the next stage is building Docker image. Okay. So here the next step after validating everything, then Jenkins go for the next step. The next step will be creating the Docker image. Okay, because the Docker file is belongs to this repository. So we can mention that things. Okay, when coming to Docker configuration. Sorry, Jenkins configuration. So consider we have an image. Now it's Jenkins created an image that is Docker image. So
Okay.
we can check that image also using another tool called Trivy. Trivy is a small software to checking build image. Okay, images means if any vulnerability is within the image or not. So the Trivy will scanning Docker images before deploying to production. So this is a small software. So we need to we can
Mm.
install this in our machine and we can utilize whenever I mean, we have the Docker image, we can scanning Docker image using Trivy. Now it's fine, right, Mahesh?
Yes.
Okay. So here we successfully pulled SonarQube. So the next step we need to run this image. The here we pull the image SonarQube, so we need to run the image. So it will create a Docker container and we can access uh, the SonarQube. We can use Docker run command. Okay, I mean Docker run command. So, Docker run detachable mode. Then mention the port. Here we need to mention two ports, okay, because I told you there is a embedded software running inside the Docker, sorry, SonarQube. So we need to open that port as well, like the port the database use. So first we need to open the port number 9000. That is for accessing this SonarQube application within the container and host port, okay, this mission port, the EC2. So first we can see it's embedded with the local port and container port. Then one more port we need to open, that is 9092. That is for the database communication. Then the name Sonar. I am providing Sonar. Then we need to mention the image name as well. If here the image name is this image that we are going to run, Sonar Cube. Okay, it's runs. So I will check with the Docker command sudo docker ps. See, application is running. That means that SonarQube is runs in the port number 9000. Before that, we need to open the port number. I am enabling port number 9000. Okay. So go with the custom TCP and port number 9000. So anyone can access. Save root. And copy the public IP of the EC2 machine and paste on, mention the port number. Can anyone check on this port number? I sent you on chat, okay? It's accessible, right?
It's working for me.
Okay. Can you share the screen? Anyone?
Yeah. Okay. Sir, you need to stop it first.
Oh, sorry.
Can you see?
Mm,
No?
no.
Okay, sorry. Now it should show. Yeah.
Yes, it's
Can you see?
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is a landing page, okay, after installing the SonarQube. So the SonarQube runs in our environment, okay. The open source code we take and run using Docker. So we can provide the initial login ID and password. Go with admin. Login username is admin and password also admin.
Admin and password is?
Admin,
Admin. Okay.
not admin, right?
That's not the password, I guess.
Wait.
Hmm.
The admin is not taking, right?
Yeah, it's not taking.
Can you try it again?
Right?
Yes. Okay. Can you reload it once again? Refresh the tab and try it again. Section no. Did you see in the URL like after 9000 section no return? Can you remove the section no? Only 9000 is fine. IP with the 9000. Hit enter. Again, go to next
And
object. Admin.
nope.
Mm-hmm. Can you try now?
Sure.
Can you try it on incognito mode once again? Take a incognito mode.
Hmm. No,
Not working, right?
not working.
Anyway, I will check the logs. Okay. Give me a second. I will send one password in the chat. Okay, can you check that? Go
Sure,
to
sir. ID remain the same, right?
yes, admin, and the password should be action at the rate.
No,
Not taking right.
not taking. Sir, ID is correct, right?
ID is correct.
I don't see you typing it in somehow. The screen you're sharing is different, maybe.
Huh? No, I am typing. I'm just copy paste. Do you want me to type it like? I'm just selecting it from the drop down menu.
No, I mean in the screen that I see you're sharing, I don't see any activity going on in that screen. So
What
I was
about
wondering
the
if you had
others?
another screen active or something.
What about the others?
Yeah, same. We are seeing the plain login
Huh?
and password. We don't see you typing in that. Or paste.
I mean,
Let me try one more time. Okay, I'm stop sharing and let me do it one more time.
okay. Can anyone can access using admin password username?
Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
No. You can go with admin.
Okay.
Admin.
No.
No, it's not loading, right?
Yeah. Maybe somebody else can try.
Anyone can try. I send the IP to the chat. Okay. But the initial password, like it's admin and username is admin.
I got it.
You log in,
I
right?
yeah, admin. Now I
Can you share?
can
Can you share?
update your password. Yeah, hold on.
But for Pooja, what happened actually?
No idea, sir.
Anyone? Mahesh, Amol, Deepthi, anyone can try?
No, it's not working for me.
Okay.
I wasn't able to open the website.
Anyway, we can change the password, okay? And we can try on that. Who will share? Monsu, right?
Did it came? I just entire screen share. Why it's not letting me?
Monso, I think you didn't share, right?
I think it's something saying something like I have to go to the setting for the recording thing. That's why it's not letting me.
Uh-huh.
It says please grant browser access to screen recording. Okay. Oh, I have to go to Google Chrome system setting. I don't know why on this. There is no shortcut. Security. Okay. Let me refresh. Maybe. You guys can't see my screen, right?
No.
No. Sorry. It's keep blocking me. The Chrome is not letting me because it's on record. It's keep blocking me,
Mm-hmm.
saying I have to go back to the Chrome setting and change the setting.
Can you try it on different browser like Edge?
Okay, hold on. Let me try again. Can anybody see now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so you can accessible. Okay, I also can accessible via my mobile phone. Okay, so you can you change the password, the initial password, old password admin and new one,
ADMIN.
and new
What?
one admin at the rate 123.
All small?
Yes.
Admin at the rate 123.
Confirm the same. Mm-hmm. 12
Oh,
character, I
12,
think.
12 character. Yeah. And also uppercase.
Mm-hmm. So like capital admin at the rate 128, right? That's fine.
Capital ADMIN at the
At the
rate
rate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Pooja, apparently you can access, I mean, check that thing, okay, using the username admin
What?
and
Let me try, sir. Do you want
okay.
me to try now?
Yeah, apparently you can try, okay, and just
Okay,
do it.
sure. Yeah.
So here,
What is the password? Can you please put it in the chat?
admin, capital A, admin at the rate 1 to 8.
1 till 8.
Yes.
Yeah. 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
And others too, okay. So this is a dashboard, okay. Here you can see in bottom, like embedded database should be used for evaluation process only. See, the embedded database will not scale it will not support upgrading to newer version of SonarQube, and there is no support for migration your data out of it in a different database engine. So if you go with this embedded database, then we face these types of issues if we scale up or migration from other database. So this is a dashboard, actually, a SonarQube dashboard where we work, integrating application code and everything. Here we can see the project issues, rules, quality profiles, quality gates, administration, and more. So going forward, when we starting the CI/CD process, I will go through each section, like how to adding project here and how to integrating the SonarQube with the Jenkins, like that. Anyone can access with the latest password.
So it's not working. For me, it's not working.
Right. Okay, got it. I think it's issues with some other, some policy issues or anything, I think so. What about others?
That is the password, by the way.
Anyone tried to access SonarQube?
Just to let you know, I had to get rid of the S, so HTTP. Then I was able to get this. Otherwise, it says the page not found.
Mahesh, you can access, right? With the new password.
Yes, I can able to access.
Okay. So this way we installing SonarQube within the Docker environment. So this is a QK process. Like we can easily leveraging the Docker environment and directly pull the image, then we can install.
So for me, it's not working. I have tried everything, whatever you have asked me. So,
But I think you can try it on your mobile phones. That will work. Okay. I think some issues with your laptop, I think so.
okay.
Yeah. So yes.
Did you remove that HTTPS, Pooja?
Yeah, I removed
try
it.
again.
The same thing
Okay.
is happening in the very first page, and putting the login
Just-
and password, and that's it. And
Just
again,
copy only that IP colon 9000. That's it.
yeah, I tried that too. The
Yes.
same thing is happening.
It won't.
Okay.
It's loading and bringing that ID password screen, and then nothing is happening, you know.
Okay. I think
Could it
you
be
need
the
to
cache?
change. You need to change the settings in your system, I guess. It's not
But
allowing.
it is not asking me to do anything. It's like loading the same page again, though.
Can you share your screen if possible?
Yeah, let me stop sharing. So.
For me, it was unable to log in. So,
Same error, right?
So,
yes.
Click on that URL
so
part.
see, this is my incognito, and
Just click on there.
click on where?
There only in the top under IP. No, on the browser part. Yes.
What to do?
Yeah. Just copy into the next tab or different browser. Just
Okay.
copy that one and go to the different browser. Different browser.
Different
have-
browser.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Going.
Yeah, here it is saying
Same issue.
not secure. No, here it is not loading even.
Can you share that screen?
Again,
Yes.
let me.
The old screen we can able to see, but the new another one.
Yeah,
will
this one. Your screen sharing is paused. Okay. Why it is not sharing? Okay, so this now I am on Google. So here is the
remove that. Remove that. This thing.
yeah. So here this is not
Continue to site. Click on continue to site. Yes.
probably yes. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Type admin. Admin A caps.
Yeah.
Other 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Click enter.
Not happening. Admin capital A. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. No, same thing is happening. And I don't know why this is saying sessions new written, what it means like. Because on other people's screen, it was not written like something different was written.
Does it matter you keep the HTTP or not? Because I kept the HTTP. I just removed the S at the end. I kept the HTTP.
We can try with that too.
By-
I already tried, but again, I'll do that.
By default, HTTP will take, I guess. That's okay.
Right.
You can
That's
try
what
that.
I understand that
Let's
too, but
try
I
this
don't know.
one.
And press like Control F5, so like a hard reset, so it will clear the cache that way. Oh, it's already in incognito, so yeah.
Yeah, it
doesn't
is in
matter.
incognito.
Right. Okay, so then it shouldn't matter.
I was able to get mine to work finally because I got rid of the HTTPS, which Mahesh was saying.
Then
It's just the IP address : port. That worked.
Okay.
Even I could able to work after I removed HTTPS. With HTTP, it was working for me.
I send one link in the chat. So can you try that, Deepthi? Authentication failed.
I'm not able to access Pooja's screen actually. I've taken a control.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
I'm not able to access your screen, Pooja, even though
You're
you are
not
giving
able.
me. No. It is.
Okay. What to do then? Shall we stop sharing and then?
No, don't do anything.
Okay. Is it because of this?
I'm not seeing. Just I click on the settings. I want to go see that any blockage on the.
Because this is my boy's laptop, so we do have a few things like.
Is it your boy's office laptop or what?
My son, like.
No, it's office
His
laptop.
school. No. It's a personal, but we
Oh,
have blocked. My husband has blocked everything for him so
oh,
that he
that's
cannot go
I
to the
mean,
other
parental
sites.
control, right?
Yeah, parents control. Yeah.
That might be some issues, but Deepthi also facing same thing, right?
Yes, sir. Same thing is happening from my end also.
Okay.
No, you can take a control back, Pooja. I'm not able to
Okay.
access your system.
Okay.
Anyway, I will restart my service. Okay. After that, we can try it again.
Deepthi, you have given that correct password.
Yes, I given the correct password only.
That admin a cap at that 1228.
Yes, that one only I gave.
Oh, it's coming authentication failed.
I tried with
No,
HTTPS without
Pooja,
HTTP.
you
Yeah.
have given wrong actually. Sorry, Deepthi, you have given wrong. Admin, you have given caps, right? That should not be a caps. That is small.
Oh, okay. I will try
Right.
again.
Which
Just
admin is
just the
small?
A from admin is capital. Rest is small.
Yeah.
Admin
Okay.
No,
at the
no,
rate
bro.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No. I'm asking Pooja. The username itself is a is a cap she put.
Oh no
Is
no
it?
no. The
No.
username
The
is small, all small.
small. Right.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Deepthi put that one. No, not Pooja. You, Deepthi, I'm talking.
I restarted
Yeah,
the
sure.
service. Okay. Can you check again?
Yeah, sure, sir. Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Yeah,
Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, can you share me the link?
On chat.
Yeah, in chat only. Yeah, okay. Sir.
Login username is admin. Password is admin. Capital A.
no.
It's
Your
normal.
username is
Admin?
not
Username is
capital, I
admin.
guess.
Yes,
Okay.
that's right.
Admin?
Pooja, remove the capital A.
Capital A.
Sorry,
Remove the capital.
Deepthi.
Okay. Only small A.
Yes. Then capital A admin at the rate
Okay.
128.
Show
1, 2, 3,
password.
4. Yes.
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go.
Yeah, now
Yes.
it's open.
Working.
Sir, why it is not working in my case then?
Can you try it again?
Yeah, sure.
Your parental controls are blocking it, maybe.
Maybe.
Or the HTTPS. Did you remove the HTTPS?
Yeah. I tried everything like without both HTTP
Just
and
try on your
HTTPS.
phone. Maybe it will work.
Yeah, I'll try on my phone.
What is next step, sir?
This is fine. The installation process is
Okay.
done. Then the
Okay.
configuration
Can,
is, rest of them
Pooja,
are
you can
configuration.
share your screen.
okay, sir. Can I stop my screen?
Yes.
Sir, I'm trying on my mobile. I'm on the same screen, login ID and password. I'm giving the ID and password now. Let me see if it works. No, it is not working.
Same mirror again, right?
Yeah, same thing is happening.
Are you using your son's phone?
No, that's mine.
I'm just joking.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.
Rest of all can join, right? I mean, login.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No, sir, I don't know why it is not happening. Same thing, like the same, whatever it was showing on the laptop, it was the same thing happening here on the mobile.
Could you share once again?
Okay.
Paste the IP. Don't hit enter. Okay. Okay.
Remove
No.
this.
Fine. Hit enter.
Okay. Why this is saying this thing? Is it similar to the other people's as
Yes.
well?
It's
Okay.
going to the
Okay.
new section. Admin,
Admin,
capital A, admin @ 1 to
capital
8.
A, D, MIN, @ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah.
Click on the not secure. Click on there. See
Not
on the URL. I mean,
okay.
not secure. Click on that.
Permission
And
for this site.
permission for this site. Click on that.
Tracking prevention. Okay.
That might be blocking your.
Maybe.
Yes.
Where should I go?
Did you
All
give the
sites,
permission?
reset permission, allow default
Log in.
Java.
Hello.
Allow which one?
Allow this site to. I mean, what are the things there? We can't see that thing.
You can't see?
No. It's a pop-up window, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm not seeing that.
Yeah, just a minute.
I think this one option for allowing, right? So you can click on that. What are the options are there in that pop-up window? Can you read?
1 minute. Okay. Permissions and then so the options is like all site
Okay.
and then location, camera, microphone, motion,
In the top left,
lights
you
and
can see when the in private is there, right? I think that should go
in private
in the top left corner.
top left, like it says settings, then
No.
profiles, privacy.
Puja is on incognito window, right?
The browser top left, he's meaning.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
It says
That is not
search.
allowing the public IPs actually.
I think this is a permission issues on my issue. So, Puja,
Yes.
can you allow the first or go with the first option in the pop-up?
First option is for like reset permissions. Shall I do that?
No. What is second one?
So the first is location, camera, and Java automatic
No.
downloads.
No, not that one.
Not those ones. Windows management fonts.
No, not that one.
Not this one. Insecure content block. Okay, so insecure
Hello.
content should be allowed, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Okay.
You
Okay.
refresh.
And then refresh. Okay. Okay, let's see now.
No. Come to the browser and refresh. I mean, where the SonarQube page.
Yeah, I'm going back on that.
So it will update.
I think it should.
Refresh it.
Yeah, I did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see my screen?
No, we can see. I don't know which
Still
screen
showing
that
the
But it
old.
says your screen is sharing.
I can
think I
see your
have-
screen.
it might be different screen.
Might be different. Yeah.
So come
Are
to the
you able
incognito
to-
window, okay?
Okay.
Edge incognito window. Open, I mean, go to the edge.
Edge, okay.
And there is two tab that we can see.
Okay, yeah, this one is sharing. Screen sharing has stopped as the shared window is closed. Okay, let me share it one more time.
Yeah, it's a different window, I think. Yeah.
Mm. So this was the screen, and I allowed this one insecure. I made it allowed, change to
Okay,
allowed.
fine. That would be fine. I
It
think
was blocked actually.
yes,
Yeah, it
yes,
was blocked.
yes.
And now I'm trying to open incognito. Let me see.
This will
Okay.
take you in, I think.
I think so. It should work now. Shall I enter now or remove HTTP? Let me try this way.
No,
Can
that's
you share
fine.
that screen?
We can see the settings page actually.
Oh, sir, I think I'm doing something wrong. There is where I can find the because it's sharing only the one which I select very first time. So
How many windows you
I
have?
I have just one.
One. Okay, you need to share entire screen, I think.
Share entire screen, no, but I am not able to get that option here. Like where I can find that option. Advanced sharing options, maybe? No.
No,
Host
no.
only all participants,
No.
no. Multiple
New,
participants, no, that's no. Where I will find that option more. Disable identity floating.
Stop sharing and share it again. Then there is a screen.
Yeah, then it will show whatever the screen I will select, it will show only that one. If I move to the other screen, it will not show that one. So that's the thing.
There is a
Okay,
first option
anyways.
you need to choose. Yes.
Entire screen. And yeah, that's what I'm doing, but still, anyways.
Okay.
Okay. So, sir, this is incognito. And now I'm trying to.
Yeah, same thing. Admin.
Okay.
Gabriel.
Admin. Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should work now. I hope so. Oh no, why it is not working? It's still not working.
So the same browser you allowed, right?
Yeah, let me try see one more time.
Insecure allow.
See, insecure content is allowed now. Otherwise, before it was blocked. So virtual reality.
Can you try it on here, like copy paste in not incognito window? Try it on normal
Where?
window. Normal. This
Normal tab. Okay. Sorry. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
So you can see my screen?
Yes.
Settings, and now I'm on the home page. Okay.
Hit enter.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now it's taking, right?
I think it is
I
working.
guess so.
Yeah, I think in this browser, we are not able to see that the in private, the pop-up in the left side of the corner.
Yeah, because just topics have told me to do it on the normal one, not in the incognito.
No,
Prior to this one, I was in the incognito.
no.
Something is
Shall I
blocking.
refresh? Shall I refresh or no?
Refresh or wait?
Wait. Okay.
It's not taking too much time, like.
It shouldn't take that much time, but not sure.
Click on the not secure.
See, again. Not secure. Okay.
Your constraint is not secure. No. Click back.
Back.
Back. I mean, yes. Click on not secure. And first Yeah, above. No. Above. Click on that. Go back. Not, but I mean, go to front. I mean, previous window. Yes, like that.
Previous,
Yes, I click on not secure
not secure.
and permission for this site.
This
Where
is the same page.
see where we can see the block and secure content. Hello. Scroll up. Blog site if shows intrusive, misleading ads and pop-up redirects. See, click on
This
that.
one?
Yes,
Allow.
and hello.
Okay.
Go back.
Refresh
Mm,
and go back. Okay.
yes, and try it again. That should be fine. You can go with the password and username.
No.
Not taking, right?
No. Same problem.
This might be laptop
And sir,
configuration.
you know, it is not, it is giving the same thing on my phone as well.
But we need to check on that actually. What happened with you only? Because rest of them can access, right?
Mm.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes.
So is it because of my connection or something like my machine or like what? Specifically with me in my case, right?
First time we are facing similar issues. Like we tried the most of the troubleshooting, but since the issue is still there. Can you give me the control once again?
Can you check the third party sign in?
Sensor data.
Yes.
Hey, how are you? So you're taking AP US history, right, Papa?
No, I'm taking
Kamal, can you work with Pooja to resolve the issue instead of Tawfiq and others? We are waiting.
Sure. Are you sharing the screen right now, Pooja?
No, Pooja is sharing. Taufik has taken a control.
Oh, okay. Probably something silly that once you know what it is, it's like, oh.
Just what we can do is just we need to compare our settings to the Pooja system settings. So we'll come to know that where is the changes.
Yes. That would be fine, right?
Yeah.
Amal? Right.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen, Pooja? Amol, Taufik,
Yeah, I can see your screen.
I
So
should
the
probably come in from my
laptop, huh?
laptop. Yeah.
The location is black. No worry. Camera, mic.